Good morning viewers, hearty welcome to SQA Maths YouTube channel. Here Santosh. So far we discussed number series for the quantity aptitude things. Now we are going to discuss quantity aptitude non-routine problems which are not routine, they are non-routine, and it is meant for all competitive examinations right from school level to your career examination point of view. It is also meant for 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th students for their various Olympiads to get the best knowledge, logical thinking. This type of problems are meant. And let us go through our problem now. If x star y is equal to x square plus y square minus xy, then find the value of 9 star 11. So after seeing the question, you will get surprised because it is little bit different. So it is quantity aptitude, non-routine problem, and it is also asked in SSC 2003 Staff Selection Commission 2003 question. Okay, let us start our problem now. Solution. So given x star y is equal to x square plus y square minus xy. So star is our operation, binary operation between x and y. It is defined as x square plus y square minus xy. So x star y is equal to is defined in this way. With this condition, we have to determine the value of 9 star 11. So therefore, 9 star 11 is equal to question mark we have to find. So here x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 11. So substituting x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 11 in our star defined binary operation x star y. So therefore now 9 star 11 is equal to here x square, nothing but 9 square, and y square 11 square minus xy minus 9 into 11. X and y values has been substituted in the defined binary operation x star y here. So 9 square is 81 plus here it is 121, 11 square, 9 square 9 9 is 81, 11 square 11 11 is 121 minus 9 into 11 99. Okay, so here if you add what you are going to get 2, 10, here it is 202. So 202 minus 99. So this we have been added here minus 99 gives you 103. So therefore, or hence our 9 star 11 is equal to 103. So from the given options, what we have to consider? A is 93, B is our 103, C 113 and D is 121. So our option is B. So in this way we can motivate our 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th students also. It's very easy. Define x star y in the definition, substitute the values of 9 star 11. So in this way, quantity aptitude non-routine problems part 1, the first problem. This is the first problem. So hence our 9 star 11 value is 103. You can have it. Now the second problem. If A circle dot B is equal to AB by A plus B, find the value of 3 circle dot of 3 circle dot minus 1. So in the previous case we defined star is a binary operation. Here circle dot is a binary operation between A and B. It is defined as AB by A plus B. Under these conditions we have to find out 3 circle dot of 3 circle dot minus 1. So in order to do this one, here solution for this, here what is given? A circle dot is nothing but our AB by A plus B. So given AB by, so A circle dot B is equal to AB by A plus B. So then we have to find out the value of 3 circle dot of 3 circle dot minus 1. This is a value we have to determine. Okay. So now A is minus 3, B is minus 1.5, C minus 1 and D is 2 by 3. So to get the value of this one, you know very well, according to our BODMAS rule, whatever it may be, you have to perform the bracket ones first. So 3 circle dot minus 1 we have to perform. So therefore 3 circle dot minus 1 is equal to, here it is defined as AB by A plus B, no? So 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus of minus 1. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Plus into minus is minus. So 3 minus 1 nothing but 2. So minus 3 by 2. So this implies 3 circle dot minus 1 is equal to minus 3 by 2. So this is the value of 3 circle dot of minus 1. Now what we should do? For this value we have to apply the left part 3 circle dot. Now 3 circle dot of 3 circle dot minus 1. So here what we got, which value we got here? Minus 3 by 2. So now 3 circle dot of, you have to consider minus 3 by 2, because here our value is here, we got for this minus 3 by 2. Now it is in the form of A circle dot of B. Okay, so here A is equal to 3 and B is equal to minus 3 by 2. Now let us see the remaining part, this part. Therefore 3 circle dot of 3 circle dot minus 1 is nothing but 3 circle dot minus 3 by 2. Nothing but here I can write 3 into minus 3 by 2, because A into B by A plus B. A plus B nothing but 3 plus of minus 3 by 2. So minus 9 by 2, this is 3 into 3 is 9. So minus 9 by 2. Anything not there means by 1. So LCM is here 2. So here 3 into 2 6 minus 3. After taking the LCM, here it is 6 minus 3 because 2 is our LCM. Finally I can write minus 9 by 2 by here 3 by 2. Denominators 2 and 2 get cancelled. The leftover is minus 9 by 3. Once and thrice minus 3. So minus 3 here. Hence our final value for this 3 circle dot of 3 circle minus 1. 3 circle dot of 3 circle minus 1 is equal to here minus 3. So in the previous case just we performed some x star y, but here binary operations is defined in our expression 2 times. So applying A circle dot B 2 times, not 1 time. So students, be careful while applying the given binary operation here, because it is defined 2 times. Apply the BODMAS rule, perform the bracket one first, next go for the total part 3 circle dot of 3 circle dot minus 1. So now according to our option, A is our option. Okay, so if A circle dot B is called AB by A plus B, then 3 circle dot of 3 circle dot minus 1 gives you minus 3. So you can have the look. Yes, now the third problem based on this. If m circle plus n is equal to 2m minus 3n plus mn, then find the value of here 3 circle plus 5 plus 5 circle plus 3 is what? So A is 22, B 24, C 26 and D is 28. So don't get confused with the general our arithmetic operation plus, and here our binary operation circle plus or plus circle, they are different. Okay, so if you observe carefully here, m circle plus n is given defined. You have to find out 3 circle plus 5 plus 5 circle plus 3. Now solution follows. So given m circle plus n is equal to 2m minus 3n plus mn. Okay, then we have to find out the value of 3 circle plus 5 plus 5 circle plus 3. So consider to find the total value. To find the total value, first consider this part. You can have the brackets also, it's best. Consider this one, find the value, consider this part and finally add it. So now consider 3 circle plus of 5. This is in the form of m circle plus n. Nothing but here 2 into m is 3 and n is 5. 2 into 3 minus 3 into n is our 5 plus mn. So 3 into 5. 2 3s are 6 minus 3 5s are 15 plus here it is 15. 3 into 5 15. So like this 3 circle plus 5 defined in the way of m circle plus n. So 15 minus 15 is 0. 6 plus 0 is 6. This implies 3 circle plus 5 is equal to 6. Now consider 5 circle plus 3 is equal to, this is in the form of this form now again. So 2 into m. So 2 into 5. M is 5 and is 3. Minus 3 into n is 3 plus mn. M is 5 n is 3. So 5 into 3. So again 10 minus 9 plus 5 3 is 15. This gives you here 1 because 10 minus 9 is 1. This is 15. Finally gives you 16. So this implies 5 circle plus 3 is equal to 16. This is our value. This is not our final value, but what is our final value? You have to find out the value of this one. So now therefore 3 circle plus 5 plus 5 circle plus 3 is equal to, this is nothing but the value is 6 plus this value is nothing but 16. 6 plus 16 gives you 22. Hence, what is the value of your expression? 3 circle plus 5 plus 5 circle plus 3 is equal to 22. So hence we obtained our final value. Its answer is 22. So 22 stands for our A option. So this is our A option. So here circle plus defined in such a way that it is equal to m circle plus of n is equal to m minus 3n plus mn. This value 3 circle plus 5 plus 5 circle plus 3 is nothing but the value, the expression is 22. So first consider this value, find out the value of this one. Next find out the value of this one. Define the binary operation in this way. Consider finally the operation between them is plus. So addition, go through it. So finally don't get confused with general addition symbol and here our binary operation plus circle. You can have the look. So the viewers, those who are watching my videos, so like this you can go through the non-routine problems, okay, of quantity aptitude part 1. So it is meant for all the math students, even non-math students, to get the good knowledge by using my channel, S Square Maths YouTube channel. It plays important role for all competitive examinations and for the students of 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th to get the good knowledge regarding mental ability, nothing but here quantity aptitude concepts. So please viewers, those who did not subscribe my channel, subscribe it, like, share and comment our S Square Maths YouTube channel. Thank you.